Welcome to Proformance Unlimited. Today for you in the dyno stand we have our 302 315 horsepower engine package. This customer asked us to paint the block blue with the black ignition wires. We have a couple little differences on this motor than the standard package. Like this customer upgraded to the Ford Racing polished valve covers with the red logos. That came out really sweet. And a new addition to this engine package is the Demon, they're called the Street Demon carburetor. It's a very nice carburetor. We've used it on some of the smaller engine packages and it's really working out well for guys. This is going to become a standard on this engine package. The top end we got the Proform HEI distributor and the Taylor 8mm wires. We go over a little about the engine bottom end buildup. We started off with a late model 302 block, did the 302 rotating assembly. We had Comp Cams custom grind us a nice hydraulic roller camshaft. We set the top end up with Edelbrock E Street aluminum cylinder heads and the Performer 289 intake. If you're interested in this engine package or any of our other ones, feel free to check us out online at proformanceunlimited.com or give us a call at 1-800-267-3940. Let's take you over to dyno run.